p.m.
Bit late to this
At
one.
10:23
Okay.
p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairview, Oregon, 11 miles west of Flemingsburg, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized
Oh,
hail.
someone run enhanced risk.
Source, radar indicated.
Nice.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage.
Yo!
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Dude!
This severe thunderstorm will be near Neptune around 10:30 p.m. Pex Ridge around 10:35 p.m. Tilton around 10:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hillsborough, Green City, and Raleigh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Fleming, and Rowland. A severe